So, that was to be a kind of crazy idea behind video acquiring.
Alright.
Goodness, what's the zero? UA. $7 billion market cap in 5 years. Good? If you get the right strategy, in the right space, structure, and I'm not just practicing. NVIDIA or whoever we have a control this on, you literally have a $10 billion company.
Guys, the industry, that's why.
Which is why this is a motor. Use cases, minimize costs. If you're sweet or cost, you're not going to do that. You think about getting the market fast. What I'm saying is there's plenty of go around for all of us when we pull it off.
Right. Now, yeah. With the economic model, we're free to buy people. They're working really hard. Not very much.
Is that the best digress you've ever had?
It really is. Very, very different from any other That's what it works.
No, I'll tell you later. You need to have more meat too.
Take that. I'll take some of this.
All right, that's fair. That's good. You take all that meat. It's like sausage. So we're driving home and we knew that after too much alcohol.
You're driving?
In the cab. Oh. And you can't rent a car there. You can't drive. Either rent a bed or in the cab. But the truth mom is native. Mac Venus and stuff after two reports. It's funny. We're driving back. Pulls over, parks the car, gets out of the cab. Hold on. Hey. Well, he's being funny. The next thing you know, he comes back and he hands us all leaves off a tree he's picked nearby. These beautiful green leaves. He says, "Hello, that." I'm like, "Oh, that is American allspice." Just made me appreciate, different countries and their.
Wherever he comes from.
Yeah. It was the most incredible thing. I mean, it was like you want to rub it on your wrist or something.
Wow. That's again.
Oh. He's dying over already. Being gone. So the big time of the week has been Trump's first 100 days, and most have been critical. What's your assessment?
There's been a lot of real tangible work, but there's a tone that he established that I like. We're not. It's been a positive tone for my point of view.
I've been studying over the last few days. First of all, I think that the date thing is a fair way to analyze the president. I think it's firstly it's within its FDR. But if you look at the history, some of the best presidents have not great 100 days. Abraham Lincoln, Reagan, they rate all the 100 days deal. Whereas like Jimmy Carter had incredible 100 days. And that's what the best president either. I think Trump is trying to do such a significant thing. The 100 days thing is tough. So I don't think you can judge him on that. I do think he's done a lot of things for justices with international stuff and attacking terrorists and all that.
I think he had a very good learning curve.
Yeah. But here's what take a 2 week vacation. And we're about to like I just killed him in the car and walked away. Congress is the post office.
Going in on the guard.
So I'm gonna feel bad if I do you wrong on this bet.
Why? Are you second guessing
So far, I think we're doing okay.
But I honestly believe when a company lets you buy a RV campaign like this, you're not crazy. Just like thinking, any dumbass, get on, maybe I'm being unrealistic. Consider B2B versus B2C is totally different. But I swear to God, you can do something like this. With the, at least with the recording, it would blow away the industry.
You agree, or you think I'm like,
No, I think you're right. Keep it simple. Always advantage simple.
you guys work through their value? I gotta do the garlic thing, even though I'm gonna regret it.
I did the garlic.
Not a whole piece though. Go here. Yeah, you can do this for cake, right? Same Mike.
Yeah. Sometimes you might say, I ordered this for you.
Garlic's good for you.
Garlic is good for you.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Me?
You're beautiful on the garlic.
Yes, very beautiful.
Thank you. That's what I thought too.
Garlic is so good.
So I can have the whole thing.
I cut mine in half.
The kids will leave in the morning.
Right behind you.
I told you, like, I told her like a sister.
I wonder if are there points in her life that are going in?
No, that's who she is. She's got a great sense of humor. She balanced the intensity with,
You're right.
she's not rushing around the phone or anything. I think she's got it all. From a business perspective, I think she's got great touch, great politics. I would hire her in a second.
Beautiful lobster.
Yeah, man. It tastes really good too.
What is that steak, Joe?
This one?
Oh yeah.
Just ham.
Beautiful.
Fascinated by what you're shooting. That's really so. You do sound effects or what? I'm ruining it. Sorry.
Beautiful, Joe.
Hope George doesn't have to go. Keep talking. Look at that, 29 now. They're so potent. Look at that.